अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
29th Safar al-Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Pir Sayyid Meher Ali Shah, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, the king of Tariqat and the advocate of the divinely bestowed knowledge of the noble Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Hazrat Pir Sayyid Meher Ali Shah, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born on the 1st of Ramadan al-Mubarak in 1275 Hijri, corresponding to the 14th of April 1859 AC, in Golra Sharif, Islamabad, Pakistan. He was such an impressive spiritual personality whom people used to visit very frequently with the view to gain blessings from him. Thus, they used to brighten their hearts and souls with his refulgence. He fulfilled the demands of the seekers of spiritual knowledge through his divine love and knowledge. The love of the noble Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam reached the depths of their hearts and souls by virtue of his effective teachings. Every individual of his spiritual academy was ambitious to receive the true love of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He was a great spokesman of the greatness of the noble Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and a sincere guard of his honor. He confronted the problems very bravely and boldly. At that time, many heretics against the religion were rooted out through his bold efforts. He proved to be a real guard of the honor of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by making efforts through his writings. His excellent book, Sayf-e Chishtiyai, played a prominent role in the rectification of beliefs and concepts. He defeated the evil forces. The said book is a proof of his wise scholastic work. The touching effect of his Naat verses is evergreen and needs no publicity. Hazrat Pir Sayyid Meher Ali Shah, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, passed away on the 29th of Safar al-Muzaffar in 1356 Hijri, corresponding to the 11th of May 1937 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Golra Sharif, Islamabad. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
खुदा का खास इल्हाम है ये